Hey everyone, did you spot a perfect outfit or an item on Pinterest and wonder how to actually buy it? Well, in this video, I will show you. So firstly, guys, of course, you will need to download the app and find the actual product you want to buy. So for example, in my case, I just searched for Miu Miu bags. So as you can see, there are various bags in here that are available. And as you can see, we have different profiles that actually sell them, as you can see. And it's either going to be, you will be redirected to a different website to buy from there, and sometimes you will get an actual inside of Pinterest purchase available, but it's not always available. So depending on the seller, depending on the profile, you will have different means of purchasing this product, so through the Pinterest itself or through the other websites. Now let me find a link and show you actually what it looks like to buy inside of Pinterest. Right, so as you can see, we have a bird and bag handbag that you can actually purchase. Oh, it's not actually through the Pinterest. Okay, so basically, if you want to purchase it right inside the app, you can do that. As you can see, we just need to choose a color, choose a currency that you wish to buy with, pay with, and choose the payments procedure. Of course, is going to be a payment method PayPal. And that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, you can also choose a different size as well, so it's very easy. So hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy, buy the items from Pinterest like a pro, and see you soon.